first let's do some styling, reset styling in index CSS, and therefore first box sizing, border box, margin, let's see, 0, and padding also 0. This is for all elements, and for body let's say background color, let's say 2222345, and color, text color white, and font family, let's say SGOM UI with sans serif. Okay, start the server. Wait a little bit. Now save, and we have movies. Actually delete that one, refresh this one. Okay, further. Need to get the data from this API endpoint. Therefore, actually, I think the better way is to create an API JS file, and here let's say export const discover API, and now again export const let's say search API, and here let's say export const poster path API, and this is a replacement. Oops. Image replacement API, image replacement API. Nice. Oops. Okay, then import this API here for something from API, and the something is discover API. Nice. Now we should try to get the data from this API. Therefore, actually, let's do it first like this. Use effect with the first argument an arrow function, and the second argument with an empty array that simulates the dit mount from React with classes here. Therefore, we should use effect is automatically by the IDE imported, and here let's say use fetch, which is a global function in the browser. Yet with the API discover API, a fetch function returns a promise, and therefore either we can use async await or then. In this case, I will stick to then. Here, where as argument we have a response. Let's say, and in the body, I will return Actually the response.json. And therefore we need another then we have a callback, and in the body we have console log data to see what we'll get actually. And now Ctrl S, go here, and we have an object with key values on 20, an array of 20 elements. Okay, what now we need a data container to store this data that is retrieved from the API, and therefore use movies, set movies with use state, okay, with an initial empty array. Now let's go here and set movies data.results, and now we should have something like this. Now use the collect data in a component. Therefore let's create a component to stay organized. Components folder, and inside movie.js. In movie.js, let's say const movie is an a function where we return, and let's say movie div with let's say h3 I am a movie components, and export default movie. Okay, import it here. Movie from components movie, and use it here. Let's say movie container, and dynamically bind movies map, iterate for all elements, and we need a arrow function movie with that returns a movie component. Okay, with the key it's a movie point ID, and close it, save it. Oh, 20 movies, nice. Okay, further we know that every movie has these properties and actually key values, and therefore we extract all the properties. Actually use spread operator to extract all the key values from movie and send further to the movie component, and therefore save it, go here, and we know we have image, create image, oops, no, image with the source poster path, and alternatively bind to title. And therefore we need to extract these properties here, title and overview and poster path and vote average. You have all of them here: overview, title, poster path, and vote average. Okay, nice. And use here. What do we need more? We need, I know that poster path is only this short path, and therefore we need from API we have poster path API, and therefore we need to import it. Import let's say something from 2 points. Actually we need API, and in API we have poster path API. Nice. And then we can use it here, or let's say poster path API plus this one. Okay, and we have the images. Now style a bit the container. I can first close it, this one, console, and style the movie. We go here and let's say movie width of, let's say, 300 pixels, and movie image width we have 100%, and gave a height, let's say 400 pixels. Let's say okay, nice. Further, we need to style also, let's say first padding margin maybe it's 0.5 rem. Nice. And now in the container let's say we have display flex, and now flex wrap, and now we have a nice container with, let's say, cards. Further, let's do it further. We need here movie info to show the info on the bottom side, and we have a H3 bind to title and a span bind to vote average. Oops. Save it. We have them, and style it now. For the movie, let's say background color crimson. How looks like but get okay. And now border radius of 5 pixels. Nice, but all here one is not rounded, and therefore we should say overflow hidden. And now also here it's rounded. Okay. Further, let's style also movie info. info, where we say padding 0.3 rem and display flex and justify content space between. Nice. And maybe padding a little bit more, let's say 0.5, and align items center. Nice, nice, nice. Let's have a movie overview. Okay. Oops. Yes. Movie overview. And inside also H3. Bind also to title. And paragraph. Oops. Bind to overview. Nice. Okay, let's style it. Okay. Overview. Padding also 0.5 rem. Background color white and color black. Good, nice. Let's say we want not have here, and therefore is position absolute bottom position on the bottom with the right 0 and left also 0. Therefore we must position the container on relative. Okay, nice. It's here. And further we want normally not to show them, and therefore set transform translate y 100% and show them nice only when we hover over with movie overview. Let's say transform back, translate y0. Okay, nice, and put a nice transition. Transform duration 0.3 seconds and function easy in out. Let's say, wow, nice. Let's style the movie vote. Okay. Here, let's say class name. Oops. Bind dynamically to vote. Movie vote and plus that vote with argument vote average. Okay, now declare this one const vote class and function vote something like this. If vote bigger as 8, then return green. Else, if vote bigger or equal 6, return orange. Else, return red. Nice. Now put style the movie vote. Background color, let's say RGB of 36, 24, 16. I have this. Okay, awesome. Let's say we need a padding, also 0.3 RAM, and border radius is also nice to have 3 pixels. Let's see how it looks like. Okay, nice. And also font weight bold. Nice. Okay, let's style also movie vote from green. We'll say the column green, copy it twice, and goes orange, and here red. Nice. Okay, we have nice. Now let's do a search button or search functionality, and therefore goes here where we insert a React fragment. Okay. Have a header and a form with action actually on submit handler and this function on submit, but this one should be like this. And now we have an input with of type search and with placeholder search. Nice. Now declare the function const arrow function. We need even body and event prevent default. Now we need data from input, and therefore use ref is equal search element. This search element, we can use it here. Declare here search element is use ref. Nice. With initial value of null. Nice. Okay, we have search L and therefore use it here. Here we say like this, declare const search term, or only search is search element current value. Oops, no. Okay. Now if search has value, then let's say now we can use refactoring and let's say extract this function and say fetch data with discover API and declare it here const fetch data with API parameter function body should be this one. Nice. And here we can change it like this, and now call it here fetch data with, okay, we should import now the search API and use it here API plus a search term. Save. Okay, and style. First attach a class. The search and style it. Header, let's say background color should be crimson, and padding 1 rem, display flex, and justify content space between. Nice. Okay, now style the header search. Font size 1.32 rem, and border radius, let's say 50 pixels, and padding 0.5 rem, and outline none. Nice. Actually, justify content, put flex, and we have now search. Try to search. You will see flex or flash. Some cards have no image and therefore go to movie, and for poster path, let's say poster path, we have a value, and then return this one, otherwise return image replacement. Therefore first importing image replacement and use it. Let's say path is not defined. Okay, we have this image, okay, but it's stretched, and therefore go to movie image and say object it is cover. And now we have nice pictures inside of container.